What's up, everybody? A lot of people tell me that I'm really not flexible, and let's be honest, I'm not flexible at all. And in order to be healthier, I really need to make sure that when I'm working out, I'm also stretching, I'm also doing yoga. I can like barely touch my toes, so I thought it'd be fun to make a video showing just how flexible I am, and also helping me learn a little bit more about flexibility and yoga. And to help me learn a little bit more about yoga are my two friends, Brando and Jake. So let's get started. This first pose, you're in sort of a downward position, and you put your back on the ground and your legs up. All right, there we go. I think I got it. All right, I can really feel that in my butt. That feels good. What isn't this hard? You just gotta keep a straight back, it looks like. And you gotta keep a straight back, arms straight, and your leg. This one might be a little dicey. I would have to go on my elbows and try to balance without getting kissed too much. Give me a second. Okay, so I go into this kind of position. It helps if you hold your breath. No, it doesn't. Ugh. I am covered in slobber. Can you? This guy's not doing anything. He's just rolling around. Here we go. There. Did it. Perfect. Done. Good boy. This looks like it's sort of a. Cover my hands up. Okay, so we got a straddle, it looks like. Feet out. I think we got it. How do you even get the physics of that? Your foot is flat. Have both your arms straight. Ow! Brando, go over, I want them to see it. I think we got it. This I can do. Standard downward dog. That's yours, right? Downward dog. Okay. Downward dog. I feel like this is just as peaceful as goat yoga. Okay. This is really tiring. Feet are up, but your arms are forward. Maybe we should just simplify this at first and start off in this. Oh. We're gonna. Ugh. Hey! Okay. I think we got it. I kind of want to stay here for a minute. This is really nice. Looks like that. Does that look good? Brandon. That looks really good. I think that looks really good. You think it looks good? Does it look good? I think it looks good. Yeah, does it look good? Okay, I remember this. I actually think I did this when I took a yoga class like years ago. All right. Let me start. Oh. Maybe if I do is a headstand first. Right up! No! Alright, I think it's got. I'm so tired. Last pose. I have not been able to do this with my legs since I was in like 2nd grade. I don't even think people are supposed to. Okay, I think that's as close as we'll get. Well, that wraps up my yoga experience with these dogs. If I learned one thing, it's that I'm still not very flexible, and two, it's a bit of a challenge trying to do yoga with two gigantic friendly pit bulls. I find it funny that people still think pit bulls are these ferocious creatures. These guys are the most friendly guys I've ever met. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I really enjoyed making it. I hope that you maybe learned something about fitness or yoga. I'm certainly gonna try and implement more yoga into my daily routine, especially when I work out. If you like this video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're up to date with all my new videos that I'm releasing. I'll see you later. Come here, guys. Come here. Hey. What's up, everybody? So, what's going on, everybody? Hey, what's up, everybody? So, today, what's up, everybody? Okay. This is going swimmingly.